Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2000 Toyota Estima. It comes with 66,315 miles, powered by the reliable 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive. It comes with 2 front doors, 2 rear sliding doors, and a rear hatch as well. We'll go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. Let's go ahead and take a look at the dash of the vehicle. We'll start right here. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. The lights do go away. Let's go ahead and take a look right here. The number that you're seeing, 106,726, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 66,315. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any of y'all's questions. Thank you for the continual support. We truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. I pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.